Hi, welcome back to social science classes of grade 8. I am Navin here. Sorry, Navin here. Political science, the first chapter of political science, that is meaning and importance of political science. So, in this chapter, you are going to learn about the concept of political science, the process and process of development in political science, the political thinkers and their contribution, the importance of political science. So in this chapter we are going to learn concept, development and process of development, political thinkers and their contribution, and importance of political science. Any guesses what do you mean by political science, how it will be deal, how it has originated? Any ideas? Yeah, political science refers to political science is we can say as it is a branch of social science, or it is one of the social science which deals with the political activities of men. So it will be what we can call political science is one of the social science dealing with the political activities of man. It deals with the state and government also. It studies the origin and nature of states and forms of political institution. The study of state in the main subject matter of political science. As a subject of study, political science actually it has began with the Greece, though Egyptian, Babylonians, Persian, Indians, Chinese have mentioned their ideas, or we could have tell as a thoughts about politics much earlier to Greeks failed to develop it as a systematic study. So the origin where it has originated we can say as it is from Greek. Okay, politics was given the status of an independent science by Greeks. Greek philosophers like Socrates and his disciples Plato were great political thinkers. Plato, in his famous book, the Plato's famous book is was Republic. For the first time, he discussed the nature and the functions of state and government. Aristotle, the ancient Greek thinker and the student of Plato, he is reorganized the father of political science for his valuable contribution to its growth and development. He wrote the first treatise in his political science called the Politics. In this famous book, Aristotle discussed the origin, development, and functions of state. Kautilya's work on economics also have more information about political principles. And we can tell as a Greek use the term politics, that is for the study of state. How they are according to Greeks we can say as the politics is a study of the state. Actually the term politics derived from the Greek word that is police, that is police, which means that is we can say as a city, and therefore a subject which deals affair of state and its working is called as a politics by ancient Greeks. However, in modern times scholars prefer to use term political science for this study. So I already said the term politics has derived from the Greek word that is the name, it's a police. The police means city or state we can call, and therefore the subject which deals with the affairs of the city state and its working was called as a politics by ancient Greeks. However, in the modern times the scholars have preferred to use the term political science for this study. Political science, what we are telling, it is a study of the origin, development, and nature, administration, type, scope of state, and rights and duties of the citizen. Political science is study of all facts of state, So, what is the political science studies? It studies the origin, development, nature, administration, type, scope of state, rights and duties of the citizen. Political science is study of all facts of state. Political science is also the study of past, present and future. The political science, what we are calling it, is a it studies of the past, present and future of political institution, political functions and political theories. The study of state, government and human political activities is called political science. What is the political science? We can call the study of state government and human political activity is called political science. This is about the meaning of the political science. In the next classes we are going to deal with importance of political science. Up to there, stay tuned to GJS. Have a great day ahead.